Hello students, welcome to online class. Now we are going to start exercise 4.2 of class 9. So here we have first question. Statement is which of one of the following option is true and why? First equation is y is equal to 3x plus 5. And here we are given three options. First option is unique solution. Second option is two solution, and third option is infinite many solution. We have to check which option is correct for this equation. So unique solution, if this equation is in the form of one variable, that means if this equation of this type, simple, y is equal to 2, x is equal to 5, that means if a equation in a one variable, then in this condition equation have just one solution, that means a unique solution. But here this equation is in the form of two variable, and if we try to find out the solution, we are asked about the solution. So if we try to find out the solution and we put here if x is 1, then we get y is equal to 3 plus 5, that means 8. So this is one solution. Again, if we put here x is equal to 0, then we will get y is equal to 5. So this is second solution. If we put here x is equal to 10, then 10 and 3 30, 30 plus 5 35. That means y will be equal to 35. So we can say here if we put different values of x, then we will get different values of y. So we can say there it have no unique solution, no two solution, it will infinitely many solution. So if equation in the form of two variable, then this equation will have infinitely many solutions. So this is our question number 1. Next question is write 4 solutions for each of the following equations. This question have 3 parts. First part is 2x plus y is equal to 7. We have to find out its 4 solution. So for the to find the solution, first of all we will put here any value of any variable. Here we have two variable x and y. First method is put here value of x, then find out value of y. And also you can choose the second method, that means put any value of y and then find out value of x. So you can choose any method. So here when we put here x is 0, simplest value, you can start from 0. So if you put x is equal to 0, then we will get here y is equal to 7. So this is our first solution. Put value of x in the first position and value of y in the second position. So this is our first solution of this equation. Second, again follow the same method. Follow the same method, put any value x in this equation, then find out value of y. 2 multiply 1, that will be 2, then y will be equal to 5. So this is our second solution. Similarly, we can find out 4 solution of this equation. If we put here x is equal to 3, then in the equation 3 plus y is equal to 7. Then y will be equal to 2 multiply 3 is 6. Y is equal to 1. So this is our third solution. Similarly, if we put here x is equal to 10, it's your choice. You can put any value of x in the negative form, 0, or in the positive form. 10 plus y is equal to 7. Then y is equal to 7 minus 20. So it will be equal to minus 13. So next solution is 10 minus 13. So these four are solution of this two variable linear equation of two variable equation. Next part is equation is, in the second part, equation is pi x plus y is equal to 9. Again, we have to find out here four solution of this equation. You can put here value of pi or not. It's your choice. Put in the place of pi 22/7 or remain this term as it is. It's your choice. First of all, now here we will follow the second method. Put first of all value of 0, value of y, and after that find out value of x. So if you put here y is equal to 0, then x will be 9/pi. Multiply term goes to in the denominator. So first solution is 9/pi and 0. Put value of x in the bracket in the first position and put value of y in the second place. So this is our first solution. Again, put value y is equal to 1 in the equation number first. Then try to find out value of x. So x will be equal to 8/pi. So second solution is 8/pi and 1. So this is our second solution. Next, again follow the same procedure. Put here y is equal to 3 or 2 or 10 or 20. Pi x plus 3 is equal to 9. 9 minus 3. So x will be equal to 9 minus 3. That means 3. And multiply term goes to in the denominator. So it will be equal to 3/pi and 3. So this is our third solution. Next, put here y is equal to 4. So pi x is 9 minus 4. So it will be equal to x is equal to 5/pi. So this is our fourth solution. So solution will be 5/pi and 4. So this is our fourth solution. So this is question number second. In this question number second, you are given 3 equations and you have to find out solution of these equations. Last equation is x is equal to 4y. Very simple. Value of x is given. Just put here y. Any value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, which is easy to solve. Try to find, try to put those values which are easy to solve. If you put here y is equal to 0, then x will be also equal to 0. So this is our first solution. Very easy value. Again, if you put here y is equal to 1, so x will be equal to 4. So this is our second solution. Similarly, if we put here y is equal to 2, So x will be equal to 8. So this is our third solution. Similarly, if you put here y is equal to 3, so x will be equal to 12. So 12 and 3, this is our last solution. So this is part number 3rd of question number 2nd of exercise 4.2. Okay.